right, Scott McKenzie here at IMTS. Welcome. And again, we are doing this sort of manufacturing technology speed dating. And you know who's up next? Brian. You know what company? Haas. How you doing?
Great, man. Couldn't be better.
Could be better? I'm telling you, you got a cool booth.
Yes.
Yeah, they're all cool, but me being an F1 fan, yeah, I'm pretty geeky about the damn thing.
Yeah.
You know?
The car definitely drives
Yeah,
people in.
I was just gonna say, it's like, yeah, this is cool. Look at the car.
Well, you know, we know anybody that's at this show is here to look at machines and the latest technology. So they're all potential customers, but the car really brings them in.
Oh, look at me.
Exactly.
But I'm all about the car. Okay, what do we have here, Brian?
So Haas automation. We're going to focus on the automation part of Haas. This is what we call an auto parts loader. And I'm going to show you some different types of automation here in the next couple of minutes. This is very simple technology. So one of the things that customers, when they're getting into automation, they say, that technology is not for me. This couldn't be simpler. It's simply a table with an arm that picks it up, places it in the machine, and then picks up the finished part, which is why there's two grippers there, and places it back on the table. Couldn't be easier. The whole thing is programmed through the Haas control with a series of templates that guide you along step by step. And for an entry-level shop, nobody can get good help these days, right?
See, that has been the constant theme with every conversation I've had.
Every single one.
People. It's the human side.
Yes.
And therefore, you have to make this simple.
That's right. So this addresses that.
There it goes.
There it goes now.
So it's taking it apart.
Yep.
Oh, man.
Dropping it in the vise.
Pulling it out. Here, come on, baby.
Now,
grabbing
it's dropped off a piece of raw material.
Yeah.
The next part. And now it moves over, and now it's picking up the finished part.
Yeah. See, it changed hands.
And no human has to touch it. So you load this table up with blanks, and it'll run for potentially hours without having to have a machine operator.
No way.
So now you can have multiple machines with fewer operators, or you can have your operator go do something else. Maybe he's doing some inspection.
Greater utilization, greater use of the time, you know,
Exactly.
focusing on the stuff.
Yes.
All right, take us to another one.
All right, let's go see another machine.
Cool stuff. Big time cool stuff. I like it. Keep on going. Come on. All right, now we got another one.
Yep.
What do we got here?
Okay, so this is a robot, probably pretty obvious. This is a FANUC robot. We have three different sizes, 7-kilo robot, 25, and 50, depending on the size of your machine, the size of your parts. Now this is, again, programmed through the Haas control. There's a series of templates, and once again, it's a piece of technology that we've made simple to use. We've made the integration between the FANUC robot and the Haas control, or the Haas machine rather, simple.
See, that's the secret sauce, right?
That is, yes.
Because I know that our family, we've had CNCs in our family, my wife and I, and one of the things was like they were really proud when they were able to take it and program it, right?
Yes.
That was years ago.
Yep.
Now it's progressed.
It has progressed. And we want any shop, you know, the average Haas shop has, I forget the number, 3.8 machines, whatever the average is. We want those shops that are usually run by a husband and wife. We want that with just a couple employees. We want them to be able to get a robot in. The robots are inexpensive relative to what everybody's used to, and program it themselves.
I mean, this is an exciting future. This is amazing.
It is.
But you know, the reality is that we're going to have to figure this future out. We still need manufacturing. We still need to be able to generate the parts. We still need to do all of that.
Yes.
And so, how do we figure it out? Robots, training, whatever it might be. It's here to stay.
And you know, one of the things we hear a lot of is, oh, I don't want that in my shop. That's going to take my job away. No, it's not, because we're going to train you how to operate the robot, and now your shop is more efficient.
Yeah.
And you just learned a new skill that makes you more valuable.
Exactly. How does somebody get a hold of you, Brian?
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. Just go to Haas.com, whatever.
Yeah.
Let's say, hey,
so all the products are available on HaasCNC.com.
Yeah.
And whether it's a robot, a pallet pool, and an APL, it's all there.
There it is, man. IMTS, right here. Automation. Incredible. What is also as fascinating is the fact that all of this stuff has been shipped in.
Oh, yeah.
Like shipped in. And it's working. And it's all geared up. And it's here in a conference.
It's a big
or
endeavor.
Or a small state, whatever you want to call it.
We shipped this in 2 weeks ahead of time, and we got a great group of people.
All right, thank you. Once again, IMTS, check it out. We're going to have another great conversation shortly, so stay tuned. Do not go away.
You're listening to the Industrial Talk Podcast Network.